Struggle to find a nutrition approach that is both healthy and enjoyable? Introducing Nutri'Chef program, 4 workshops of 2 hours, where you'll discover that health can meet pleasure. First, we'll cover the fundamentals of nutrition. Through interactive games, we'll learn how to make informed decisions about the food we consume, including how to read food labels. Next, it's time to get your hands dirty. I'll guide you through simple, delicious recipes, step by step. You'll pick up cooking tips and discover my favorite staple products. Finally, we'll enjoy the nourishing meals we've prepared together. And every week, you'll get to savor a new cuisine.
Very fragrant.
Healthy, very surprising.
Super delicious!
It's good. Very, very good.
Authentic and fresh.
It's yummy.
Not feel boring, the potato.
Feel the spice.
And every dish is just stunning.
Learning with fun and good food, what could be better? Are you ready to embark on this journey of healthy, happy eating?